Dave Porter with Vouch Video. I'm here with Mike from S&S Spas. You guys are the best when it comes to custom hot tub installs. You also offer portable hot tubs, but in this particular case, you installed a stainless steel hot tub. Tell me about this project and tell me about maybe this inner workings that are happening underneath this project.
The way this is set up, you have your stainless steel spa here, and inside the garage there's the equipment. And between the two, we ran the electric and the plumbing. The benefit to that is that in the wintertime, if for whatever reason they have a power outage, the only thing that's susceptible to any freezing will be the shell itself here. The equipment, which costs a lot of money, which is half the cost of your spa, is all inside, so nothing's going to happen to it as far as freezing and damaging, anything like that. So that's the way this is set up, and down below the decking you can see all the plumbing and any electrical that we ran for it.
There's a lot of planning that goes on here to incorporate this, right?
We had to build a base for it. You can't just, the hub there is about 1,000 gallons, and so you're talking about, 8,000 pounds there. So you can't just sit it down on the ground, it's gonna start to sink through. So we built a base for it, we set it down on the base so it's secure. And then from there we ran all our plumbing up and underneath the deck and over to the garage where the equipment actually is, and any electrical that we needed to run as well.
I'm with Andre, the homeowner of this beautiful state. Tell me about your experience with S&S Spas and really why you chose them and why you've worked with them today.
Yeah, we're pretty big on customer service, and my wife and I were absolutely thrilled when we met the folks from S&S. As you can see, the spa in and of itself has tremendous structural engineering, and it was fairly seamless with regards to the integration into the deck. It's fairly unique, as you can see, the layout of the deck, to have something essentially buried into the deck and somehow incorporated, obviously, into all the inner workings of what's going on beneath it. So we've had a fantastic experience, and like I said, we're really big on the customer service aspect of things when it comes to integrating things, especially into our home. And Mike and the team have just been phenomenal. They're out here at a moment's notice, and they always seem to get the problem resolved really, really quickly. So we've been thrilled.
This isn't a big box store coming out throwing a hot tub in. You guys take your time and make sure it's done right.
Well, yeah, because at the end of the day, the customers will call me telling me, hey, this isn't working right, or that's not working right, or something's wrong here, and I'm the one who eventually has to deal with it, and I don't want that headache. So I want to make sure it's done right and it's working properly when I leave, so they're not calling me back at 9 o'clock at night going, hey, we just tried to use our spa and it's cold, today. So it just, that's what I'm trying to prevent.
Well,
that's the idea.
I will say this for you. I have met your customers. They could not say enough good things about you and your follow-up. So there are always problems with mechanical devices, and your team follows up.
Yes, I mean it's a mechanical device, like you said. So it's going to have issues here and there. It's like buying a car. You buy a car, something's going to happen at one point. So I want to be there for them when they call, and I want to make sure we can resolve it so they're happy at the end of the day.
That's what makes you the best, Mike. I appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time.
Thank you, Dave.
I know you guys do a phenomenal job, and I look forward to recommending S&S Spas for all your hot tub and swim spa needs.